everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to cover a simple but powerful feature inside Progreda, how to create a header for your funnel. So why is a header important? Well, your funnel header is the very first thing your visitors will see if they land on your page. So it's a critical part of your site's design because it sets tone for the rest of the page and serves as a navigation point for your users. A good header can help draw attention, guide users to key sections, and make your funnel feel more professional and engaging. So it's essential for building a strong first impression. So are you ready to learn how to create and customize your header? Let's dive right in. Of course, first log into your Progreda account. So from here, let me share my screen here real quick. So here's the dashboard. So from here, log into your Progreda and go through the sites. So this is where you can manage all your websites, funnels, and pages. So select your funnel. So if you already have an existing funnel, you can simply select it from the list of sites you have here, like this one here. For example, I'm going to use the example funnel to show you how to edit the header. So just click on the funnel. So let's say for this one. All right, then hit edit. So now we're here in the funnel. And this is where the magic happens. So here you will notice that you have a tons of options to edit various part of your tunnel. But we're specifically going to focus here on the header. So your header is a crucial part of the page layout. So it's where you can add your branding logo, call to action buttons, navigation links, or even just a catchy tagline. So this is the place to make your funnel first impression count. So to edit the header, simply click on the header section. So here, so you actually have some option here for the section. For the header, you can just click this one. Once you made your changes to the header, it's always a good idea to preview your work. So you can see how the header will look on both desktop and mobile view so you can make sure your designs is responsive. So here you can click mobile or desktop mode to preview. So cool, right? Now here, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, just click save to keep your changes, and that's it. You've just created and customized a header for your funnel in Progreda. So easy, right? All right, to recap, so first log into your Progreda account and go to sites, select the funnel you want to edit and click edit. Click on the header section to start customizing. Add your logo, your text, buttons, and anything else you need. So just preview your changes, and when everything looks great, hit save. That's all for today. Now you have a customized header that will make funnel stand out and engage visitors from their very first moment. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Progreda tips and tricks. So if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for watching and good luck building your funnels with Progreda. Bye for now.